Navigating your policy's perilous shores, charting a course through treacherous waters. Coralia clutched her life insurance policy, a rolled-up parchment that felt less like a safeguard and more like a riddle. A treasure map, they called it, she murmured, gazing out at a vast, shimmering sea. But where are the X's? And what are these strange symbols? She longed for a seasoned navigator to help her chart a course. Just then, a warm, steady voice boomed across the deck. "Ahoy there, matey. Lost at sea with your charts?" Captain Caleb, a seasoned sailor with a twinkle in his eye, stepped forward. "Every good treasure map has its secrets, and every journey its perilous shores. I'm here to help you navigate them." "Your life insurance policy, Coralia," Captain Caleb explained, "is indeed a map to your family's future treasure. But like any good map, it marks the perilous shores, places your ship or your policy's protection cannot safely sail. We call these exclusions, or no-sail zones." "First up, the one-year plank walk," Caleb said, pointing to a swirling vortex on the map. "If a crew member chooses to jump overboard within the first year of setting sail, the treasure won't be claimed. This is the suicide clause. Typically, if death by suicide occurs within the first year or two, the death benefit isn't paid out." "Next, the pirate's code clause," he continued, gesturing to a shadowy cove. "If a sailor meets their end while breaking the law of the seas, engaging in illegal or criminal activity, the treasure remains buried. Policies won't pay out if death results from such actions." Coralia gasped at a drawing of a monstrous tentacle. "The Kraken's embrace," Caleb affirmed. "High-risk adventures like deep-sea diving or scaling treacherous cliffs might be no-sail zones unless declared up front. But fear not. With proper planning and a skilled navigator, we can often chart a special course to cover these daring pursuits, sometimes with an adjusted premium." "Then there's the fictional logbook," Caleb said, tapping a section that looked like smudged writing. "If a captain fills their logbook with tall tales, providing false or misleading information during application, the entire voyage can be invalidated. This is material misrepresentation or fraud. Honesty is the best policy, always." "Beware the war drums," Caleb warned, pointing to a stormy, battle-scarred island. "Policies may exclude death from acts of war or terrorism." "And finally, the why is the rum always gone exclusion," he said, gesturing to a shipwreck. "Fatalities directly linked to drug or alcohol abuse can also be no-sail zones." "Are these exclusions hidden?" Coralia asked. Caleb smiled. "Never. Your policy is your compass and your map. All exclusions are clearly stated. That's why reading the fine print is crucial. And remember the free look period, your chance to review the map and change course if needed, usually 10 to 30 days after receiving your policy. Not all policies have the exact same exclusions, but these are common. Ignorance of these no-sail zones won't prevent them from applying." "So what happens if we sail into a no-sail zone?" Coralia asked. "If an exclusion applies," Caleb explained, "the death benefit typically won't be paid. But with a savvy guide like Secure Life Future, you'll always know your course. We're here to help you chart a clear path to financial certainty." Chart Your Course with Confidence by Caleb with Secure Life Future. Visit securelifefuture.com to learn more.